It's one of the most recognized and admired classic sports cars. It is the luxury two-seater with the familiar curves and has been delighting Porsche enthusiasts for 75 years. It is the Porsche 356. If you can believe it, the cost of the original 356 Cabriolet in 1948 was just over $4,200. Hi, I'm Don Laviano and welcome to Black Horse Garage in Bridgeport, Connecticut. And I'm very excited to show you this absolutely spectacular 1965 Porsche 356C. This 356 is the best representation of one you will find in the market. It is a numbers matching car that had a full rotisserie restoration by Porsche experts to show quality. This is the one that's going to attract Porsche enthusiasts and judges alike. It comes in silver metallic with red leather seats that offer a stunning color combination. Let's take a look at the engine and you will see how clean and perfect everything looks under the lid. It looks just like it came off the factory floor. It is powered by the 1.6-liter flat 4-cylinder engine and driven by a 4-speed manual transmission. Sitting in the car, you will see how perfect and clean everything is. It has matching painted dash and a clock. It's got beautiful, soft, and comfortable seats with matching carpets that are in excellent condition. In the front, you'll see the original spare rim is day-coated from 1964, and it comes with an original Porsche toolkit. Let's take a look inside and see everything in there. It's got a Porsche rag, and all the original tools that it came with in perfect condition. You will not find a better running or driving 356. For a car that is almost 60 years old to drive this well, you know that the restoration was filled with time, care, and respect. It will not be the fastest car on the roadway, but the 356 was voted in the top 10 of all-time sports cars by Sportscar International. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Black Horse Garage YouTube channel and you can see more videos of cars that we have reviewed and driven in our shop. If you would like to make an appointment to see this 1965 Porsche 356C in person, please call or text 203-947-5293, or you can send an email to sales@blackhorsegarage.com.